Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Kelvin and welcome to our Galaxy. Today guys, I'll be telling you on how to become a programmer, how to start your programming journey. You can be a kid with a program is possible. Yeah, it's easy. Now, there's some tips for you and please remember don't to skip any tip on this video because one tip you skip, that's a fact. That's very because every tip you skip, that's let me say it's like that's the knowledge you skip because every tip explains on how to become a programmer, how to start your journey. And without talking much, let's get started, guys. Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kelvin talking here, and today guys I'll be telling you on how to get started with programming journey, because this is just a journey of programming. You can become programmer and then after you can choose a job. Let's get started and I'll explain everything in there and it's just easy for you. So guys, the first thing you see there on your screen is just the things needed in order to you to start programming, or the questions to be asked, and something like that. So the first question is why learning coding, because you should know why should you learn coding, because some of you just learn coding as they are, that's like hobby or something, but the other ones learn coding in order to get jobs to satisfy their needs or something like that and their desires. Okay, so the second thing is how to start coding. You should learn on how you should start coding, and you should figure what you want to do, figure what languages and tools you need for it. Languages and tools to you to start coding, and learn basics of languages, and the basics of that languages create a basic application. So let's get started by figure what you want to do. You said if you want to get a job or it's just your hobby, you want to be a hacker, maybe ethically of course, and you can just know. But the other things, like you want to create a game or mobile app or web application or something like that, so you should know the languages. The second thing, as I told you, the languages like C++, JavaScript, Python, C#, CSS, HTML, many others. The tools you should know, the famous one like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, like Jupyter, Atom, and something like that. And let's go to the basic loops, basic fundamentals of that language. They are like loops, something like that, like while loop or something, if statements like if this, so something like that. If statements, I usually use them making my AI app. Okay, you should learn about variables and functions and arrays, something like that. Now to create a basic application, you should just know, you should create a simple one, not a complicated one. The more you go and study, the more you get used to it, you find yourself creating a complicated one. But by starting your programming journey, you should start with the simple application, because simple applications are just, you just don't need to think that much, and just for the first time it's just the best for you. Okay, now you should know which languages you should use in this one. It's easy. If you wanna look for the languages you should use, there are like a lot of them, man. It's just as I told you before, and this is one thing, it's just free for you. Just bring it for you. If you face any problem on it, what you just need is just to go on your Google, search for Stack Overflow, and it will bring you there's somewhere to type in. Then you type your error you found, then this one will tell you any answer of the error found, and that's it. It's really good, Stack Overflow. So guys, talking of Stack Overflow, you should know how to choose a project. Yeah, as I told you guys, we should know how to choose a project. And choosing a project, this depends on domain and languages. Domain is the base, I mean, where your project lands is like you see it on the screen there. For example, person can develop a web development, that's a project, on Android app or iOS app, or data software development or game development. And this one to the right hand side, these are the languages to be used on those domains. So guys, you should know the learning path coding. This one is where you can just start studying coding. As I told you in the video above on how to start coding on Android, yeah, it's easy for that, because I know most of you have your Android phones, mobile phones, or an iPhone. You can just use them in studying and something like that. Then you can take your computer to practice on the tools I just told you, like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Jupyter, Atom, and many others. So guys, everything you do, it has the expectations. For example, you expect a job. What kind of jobs can you expect? Here you can expect cloud computing, machine learning, data science, big data, software development, game development, web development, and something like that. So guys, that's all it about becoming a programmer. So you should follow these steps more carefully if you really want to become a programmer and you don't have nothing to lose behind. Okay guys, thank you for your time being here, and what I want to say is just goodbye and Merry Christmas. Yeah, Happy New Year. So guys, so it's just something easy like that. Don't need to worry out, just don't forget to be patient, because sometimes it can lose your hope or something like that. So you need to be very patient. And that's it guys.